As you collect data, you're going to generate a lot of numbers. So what you're going to want to do is to design a data table. A data table will have the release height on the far left, and then you'll have your roll distance on the right. And you'll make different columns for each of your trials, and you'll record what release height you used. And don't forget the units. The first height was 15, and it gave us a roll distance of 42 centimeters. Once you've collected data with your pencil and paper, you can transfer it over to your slide. You don't have to accept all the trials. For example, in this one, the marble came out, so we didn't count that trial. We just repeated it and didn't record any number. It's from the ruler. Oh, look at that. Stayed in the whole time. Straight to
53.2. 58.5.
All right, Stevens, how are you feeling about that data?
Well, this one's very low. Those are all pretty similar.
Yeah, they're in the 50s.
I could throw this one out. I could try again and see if we get 50s again. 51.6. So I'm thinking that I want to redo this one.
Good. So if we redo it, we're just going to cross it off.
Yep, I'm going to put the new number right
on
there.
top of it. So all the energy from the marble is transferred to the dragon.
That's 51.6.
It's getting close. Look at that. They're really getting tight. Tight, when I mean tight, I mean they're close together.
The range is small. It's got a small
Yeah,
range.
when you say range, now have we talked about range yet?
The range is from the minimum to the maximum. So the smallest one is 51.3 and the biggest one is 58, which is only 7.2 apart. So it's a smaller range than it was if I had a 42 all the way up to 58. I like the smaller range. It means we have a more controlled experiment.
How do we know we have a more controlled experiment, or why do we think that?
Because there's less variability in the results. The results are more consistent.